Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Hello and welcome to my channel, AmBerlieves. This channel is about my faith as a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. I'm a Latter-day Saint. I follow Jesus Christ. See, back in ancient times, disciples of Christ were called saints. The same for these latter days, for the last days. I am a Latter-day Saint. I'm a disciple of Christ. I belong to his church and I follow him.
I belong to the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. I know who I am. I know God's plan.
On this channel, I teach my understanding of his doctrine, the doctrine of Christ. I share my own personal spiritual experiences. I also do family videos. Family highlight reels. That's mainly for my friends and family who want to see my kids grow up. But family is a huge part of my faith as a Latter-day Saint, so it's relevant. My mission is to help you understand my faith, my religion, my spirituality, so that you can strengthen your faith and spirituality, help you on your spiritual journey. My goal is not to tell you what to believe. I'm here for those who may be just curious on the conversion path, or those who have recently been baptized, or those who just want to understand my religion, so we can find common ground and promote unity. I feel like unity can happen when we understand each other. This is my way of helping you understand me. Is it surprising that most of the comments I get are not very nice? So I turned off the comments. Trolls need an audience, so get rid of their space for an audience. But that doesn't mean that I don't want discussion. I just love a good, healthy discussion. You can private message me, and you can also find me on Instagram or Facebook. Take a look around.